guys, what's up? It's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I am going to be trying out a new hair tool, you guys. I'm going to be trying out a Dupe Octocurl that I purchased from Amazon. Yes, you guys, instead of paying $27.99 for the actual Octocurl, your girl got this one for $8, you guys. So I'll definitely link it below in the description box if it turns out really nice, and if it turns out cute, I'll link it below so that you guys can get it. So I'm not sure if you guys remember, but a few months ago I actually used a heatless curler on the channel, you guys. I used this one, and honestly, y'all, it was very much so given 4 out of 10 stars. Okay, it was not popping like how my usual hairstyles be popping. A few of you guys said it was cute, but and then a few of you guys suggested I use multiple curlers so that my hair could look a lot more defined. So I believe with this Octocurl dupe, I won't have to use multiple curlers because it has 8 different sections for me to twist my hair with so that I can get super cute heatless curls, you guys. So let me just open it up. It comes with, these look like rollers. I don't know what these are for. Oh, these aren't rollers. These are actually like hair clips to like divide your hair and section it off. So that's really cute. This will be useful for today's video. And then I also have the Octocurler right here, you guys. Okay, and it has this elastic band, which is adjustable, which is great because y'all know your girl got a little bit of a big head, okay? So this is very much so adjustable, which is gonna be good for me. Yeah, that's gonna be great for me. And then it has the 8 things coming out of it so that I can twist it up, okay? And I do believe the material is satin, which is another plus as well. So as far as my hair, at first I thought I was gonna do a middle part, but I think I want a side part, you guys. And I did blow dry my hair. So I washed it just a while ago and just went ahead and did a blow dry. But I think a side part will look really, really cute on me. Okay, let me bring it up close so you guys can see. So it's just pretty easy to attach. It's like a bra. So my ladies, y'all already know. So it's pretty easy. I'm gonna put it in the ponytail first, just so it could be as flat as possible. All right. Okay, not bad. The only thing I wish was that these were spaced out a little bit more. Like I would love for, you know what I'm saying? Like look at this big old space, you guys. And then, so it's gonna be like really, really difficult for me to actually get it twisted. It's almost like some are missing. See, that's what I get for being cheap. That's what it is. That's what I get for being super cheap. As far as what I'm gonna be using in my hair, I'm gonna add the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream, y'all. I've had this forever. I remember when I first did the review on it, I was complaining that it was so expensive, but y'all, I swear I've had this for like a year. So I'm gonna take a generous amount. Just put that in my hand, and then I'm just gonna apply it to the section. I'm also going to be taking some Crazy Sexy Curl. This is from the their Beat Girl collection. And I'm going to apply just a small amount to the section of hair. I actually used this product before, so you guys have seen it in my foam wash and go video. So I'm just gonna apply that to the section. And then I'm gonna take my Denman brush, just comb it through or brush it through. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna wrap it as tightly as I can. Okay. Wrap it as tightly as I can, okay? So once I get to the end, you guys, I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna fold it up. And then I'm gonna take this little elastic band that they have attached to the section and just secure my hair. perfect. So this is how that is, and I'm just gonna keep doing that same thing for the rest of the hair.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this lie? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming.
Yo, it's giving crazy, okay? It's giving crazy. This is definitely not the type of gadget that you'll use if you got a man, okay? This ain't it. But we gonna see how this goes. Let me do a little spin so y'all can see the back. Alright guys, so your girl is back like I never left. And y'all, I had the best sleep last night. When I tell you I slept like a baby, I slept like a baby. So that's already goody points in my book when it comes to this. As far as if my curls turn out right, I will definitely be using it again. Because y'all know when we try to get curls with like the perm rods and the flexi rods, the slumber is uncomfortable, okay? But y'all, I literally forgot I had these in my head last night and really was just like sleeping like a baby, okay? So let me go ahead and take it off and start the unraveling process, and let's see how it turns out. Y'all, these kind of tight. Dang. Okay, there we go. Let's see. All right. Yes, ma'am. Oh my god. Okay, let's get this one off. Y'all, I am so excited because that one turned out so good. Okay. I'm definitely feeling it. Oh, I forgot one. I forgot one. Hold on. Okay, it looks promising so far. So I'm gonna take some of my amla oil. I have it in this little container. Just gonna put a little bit on my hands. And I'm gonna start to separate. Now let's start from here. I will say the hold on this is a lot softer than I expected. I was expecting for it to be a little bit of a stronger hold considering that I use the mousse, but still looks really pretty so far. Alright guys, so I am back and I wanted to show you guys the final results of my hair. So I did go off camera and I just continued to separate them, and then I put a bobby pin right here just to kind of have the hair move back a little bit from out my face, you know, just to shape it a little bit, you know. But you guys, I am so impressed with this tool, you guys. I love the results. I absolutely love the results. This was such a cool tool to use. It was so easy to install, you guys. It was so nice and comfortable to sleep on this, you guys. I love the way that my hair turned out. I love how big it is. You guys know I love hair with a lot of volume, so I really like that. My curls are defined as well, which is really nice. It's flowy. The only thing with this style is I do feel like if you try this out, you're gonna have to like do this every night, right? I don't feel like this is a style that's gonna last me for a week. It's just not gonna happen, and that could all depend on, you know, just the products that I use, and definitely not on the tool. But for what I did, this is gonna last me at most 2 days before I have to apply this to my hair again at night. But you guys, it's so easy to install, so that would not be a problem for me. But you guys, I am absolutely in love with the results. I think it came out phenomenally well. I'm very much so impressed with it. As I told y'all, when I tried this tool and did the flat twist with it, first of all, it was hard for me to do the flat twist on this, number one, and number two, I was just not blown away by the results. As I said, it was given very much so 4.5 out of 10. But with this, definitely will say at least 9 out of 10 or 10 out of 10, you guys, because I really do like it. This is quick, easy to use, and I think you guys will like it too. I will leave all the details to this down in the description box. If you guys have any questions, as always, you can ask. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Why you texting? You still wanna lay up? Nope, no thanks. I ain't coming, don't wait up.